play with the cherry tree today. Cut it up a little bit and maybe tie it up.
Welcome to Rican Thai family with Nudge, TK and Nelson. Come join our lives while we travel and share with you on YouTube. So come along and have some fun with Rican Thai family.
I cut it a lot and put them up together so it can grow straight. I put the branches in, turn it in there, so hopefully they grow inside there like I did here. I did that, and then I cut it and I did that, and now I cut it and I did just going in. It's cool. It's very nice. Little garden area here, and then we have another garden area here. And today I did the pomegranate tree. I did the same thing. I'm going like a turn and I put them in there. Looking pretty good. That's it, now we're leaving. We're going to Makro and do home. Oh my, great. Not looking too great, huh?
Yeah, come on.
You think they look good?
Yeah.
They have something eating it, no? You see that?
No.
No?
They like that, I think because the sun, the
Yeah.
rain, you know. They start to come out, I think. Or maybe you spray.
I didn't spray this one.
No?
Or maybe I did. Oh, I see the ants going up. That's what's going on. The ants are using it as a bridge. I don't like that. Man, these ants, they bother me too much. No. Oh. Anyway, let me take it out. I don't like it like that. Oh, they're doing it over there too.
Yeah, everywhere.
They gotta find their home base.
You cannot find. Stay in the ground.
So,
Everywhere.
where they go in, and then I can
No.
do something. Baht. Get some stuff. Now we're gonna paint the living room over there. There's Nook and Tika. I think they're gonna use the bathroom. So yeah, that's the next thing to do, I guess. We don't have nothing much going on. I guess that's good, no? Yeah, that is good. So I think we're going to the city next week. I think Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're gonna stay over there. Go to Save One and stuff like that. Stay in a hotel. Looks like a nice hotel. They got a nice gym in there. They got a nice pool, a nice breakfast included. So then after that we'll be back, finish painting, and then we'll be going to Bangkok. God willing, we'll see. We ordered the soup. What's the name of the soup?
Kuoi Tiao. Kuoi Tiao, yeah.
Oh yeah. And this is the place that we usually come to. Here in Korat. Really good soup. Anyways, we didn't get the paint over there because it was more money. We want to get it do home. Over there is cheaper. So yeah, after here, that's where we'll go. Tigger didn't want any, so he got some strawberry ice cream. We came kind of late for lunch. 12:45.
On this one?
All the desserts were gone, all the pork is gone, pork rind. Anyway, but it's still good soup. Alright. Done with the soup. Came over here and bought some stuff for the garden. Let's see how much it was. It's a nice place. You can get everything, flowers, plants, everything over here. Oh, she's gone. How much was it?
280 baht.
Oh, not too bad. What's that? $9? Yeah. It's a really good price. $9. Oh, the music. Hey. Now Nuki's trying to get some color on the front of the house. Some flowers or something. I'm talking to the GoPro over here. I was talking to the GoPro. Anyways, from here to do home and then Makro. Oh, Makro first and then do home. I forgot. I think we have to do a U-turn to go to do home, and Makro will be on this side. We'll do the U-turn, go to do home, and then we'll head down to home, I guess. Alright, let me follow Nuki over here. Have to go slow. It's a lot of plants and some beautiful flowers and stuff. It's nice. I like coming here and getting stuff. In Thailand, if you need something, just look. You'll definitely find it. Nook was telling me that back in the day they used to kill people when they had weed, right?
Before, yes.
Yeah, machete, and they just chop them up, right?
Yeah.
But now, you know, they sell it here, right? This guy had a couple of
inside
trees, plants. Yeah, we're filling up. See, I told TK those Cheetos are no good. He has to get the ones that from America, but you can only find those in Bangkok. And here's the plants that Nook bought. The flowers over there, they look nice. So now we are do home.
Well, today is summer, I think.
Summer now?
Yeah.
Wow. So, yeah, we're here at Gobon now. I'm not Gobon now, do home. We'll get the paint here.
Favorite.
Huh? The who? You know, Gobon is my favorite because they're more like, but this place here changed a lot. They're cooler and everything is in place, so
They try to fit better.
yeah. Right. So yeah, let's go. So we got the paint. It was a lot cheaper here. Maybe we say probably 700 baht for the same paint. For the same paint, 700 baht. So that worked out, man, that worked out great. Save 700 baht. Over here, do home. Gobon sometimes it's good and sometimes it's okay. And so is do home. Sometimes it's good and sometimes okay. But today do home saved me 700 baht. Alright, it's chicken day. Look, it got me some chicken.
I asked her what happened. She said, oh, my mother go to somebody die. Same like you say.
I told you, see.
You see, this one is the chicken they put inside there. They put
inside the little
tank. Yeah.
So yeah, this is a nice place right here. We stop here a lot. to get vegetables and fruit and the chickens. Nook was almost ready to fire her.
Yeah. He said, oh, mother have to go to somebody that. I said, okay, I give you. Give you change. No more.
Yeah, let's go home. That'll be it for today. Nook is gonna have another one of those dinners with her family. I won't record that because they probably feel uncomfortable. So, but anyways, thanks for watching.
You're
Here we go. Shy. Alright, bye. Bye, Nook.
Bye.
Bye, TK.
Bye.